unique individual.
All the bullshit they talking ain't real to me.
Fire on them. Told you motherfuckers it's over.
Disrespecting BBA.
Fucking crazy. Your motherfuckers should pack up. You're too shady. Off kids in a fucking fake.
So where the fuck did you find all these people? Backstabbing degenerate, sluts being deceitful. Sometimes I get so high they're turning see-through. Float on this cloud I'm getting from the pipe I breathe through. I've got spirit, so like you're dead I'll have to leave you. I'm over here trying to keep a clear head. I'll be true to my rules I made whilst I blaze and proceed to kick raps, relax and don't be evil less I need to. Cause these dudes are just oppressed with their lives, so they're coming in disguise, in clothes with daggers inside. I'm walking in the field but I ain't stepping in their bullshit. Stressing heads, weaving webs, but I'm walking through this. So who's this? Thinking all differently. It's the beef, the world's gone mad, but nothing's changed, check the history. They see the point but they're confusing it. Maniacs are losing it, I'm more concerned with twos on the split. It's a mad world, I'm caught up with these mad boys and mad girls. It's a mad world, I'm caught up with these mad boys and mad girls.
All the bullshit they talking ain't real to me.
Fire on them. Told you motherfuckers it's over.
Disrespecting BBA.
Fucking crazy.
Told you motherfuckers it's over.
Your motherfuckers should pack up.
Disrespecting
Flip tricks. It's fucking crazy. You're too shady. Off kids in a fucking fake.
Murderers, stranglers, drug takers, gamblers, police cars, ambulances, mainstream media, evidence tamperers, atheists, evangelists, peace and love, angered heads, pure blunts, cancer sticks, ecstatic fun, happiness, sadness, lust and stress, cough, wrist, bloody flesh, knuckleheads stuck in there, buff women tough to get, butters gets underdressed, 9 bars to nothing left, money stashed under beds, it's all moving nonetheless. Hip hop's communities, truth is fucking blessed. Eyes bled the colour red, sharp knives cut the bread, divide it for the grinding heads, no time for the whining men who didn't feel their passion. Now they're asking where the fire went. I'd rather bags are high grade at the brimmed and diamond rings. Find out the higher sims, use your mind, don't type it in. Computers drain your life within the world's gone mad. I'm trying to find a psychiatrist.
It's a mad world, I'm caught up with these mad boys and mad girls. It's a mad world, I'm caught up with these mad boys and mad girls.
all the bullshit they talking ain't real to me.
Fire on them. Told you motherfuckers it's over.
Disrespecting BBA.
Fucking crazy.
Told you motherfuckers it's over.
Your motherfuckers should pack up.
Disrespecting cracker jaws.
It's fucking crazy. You're too shady. Off kids in a fucking fake.
We're in a mad world where I've gathered to tell and announce the males don't fight for actual girls but handbags themselves. I can't wait till I've active cancerous cells, cause what's now happening well, this cracker will inhale and excel. Never affectionate when I enter the realms of this earth's surface, cause these urban nerds turn this dirt into an urns tin. What I'm concerned with, probably aspartame and both types of cocaine. So it's a no-brainer that it won't go away. I stay stoned for days and overnight and blow smoke in your eye, and you can bet that you won't cry, cause you will. Always abusing my skill to amuse and thrill, so you can give this tune 2 wheels and put myself into a next position. I got respect for women if they're better in the bed than the kitchen. I got an arrogant flow and I'll have you know the little facios and patios. It's a mad world, I'm caught up with these mad boys and mad